What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Some very peculiar things to talk about. Last night had a very weird exchange of events take place. We also saw the S&P 500 close us at a very good point in yesterday. So giving us a lot more information that is needed to make some healthy trades, or hopefully some trades in any sense at all moving forward. As you guys can see, the S&P 500 has reluctantly closed above its major support level here, pretty much confirming the possibilities of a 3-point confirmation on this uptrend here, allowing us to head even higher. Hopefully this starts to rebound to the upside here, but obviously what I'm about to show you, anything's possible. The XRP price has seen an immediate drop. So last night we closed above support yet again, and we had many days of this consolidation. And immediately after closing that, we saw a major drop throughout last night into this morning here, and you can see we've also managed to reverse all the way back up. So we opened at 37 cents, dropped all the way to 35 cents, currently trading at 36 cents. Lots of very peculiar movements, if you ask me, and this has also taken place within things like Ethereum and Bitcoin. Now, I'm not really worried in any sense for a lot of these movements here. As you guys know, XRP is inside a very much so bullish formation here, a bull flag, and these typically break to the upside here. Now, whether or not we were at the bottom when we were seeing this is not really a big issue to me here. But regardless, the fact that we fall in here to retest bottom support doesn't change much in the fact that we still have a major bull flag forming, and we do have a bullish bias on that. Now, these other cryptos like Ethereum and Bitcoin was a little surprising if you ask me in regards to the timing of the break. You can see on something like Ethereum, we were trending inside of here. Now, this is an ascending fractal, and this does have a bearish bias to correct lower here, which was something we were anticipating and maybe expecting here. But we also made sure, and we said very much so in detail, that we only have 2 confirmations here. So this is not enough to confirm that we have some sort of bottom or price floor, which we said in yesterday's video and the videos prior to that. So the fact that we're seeing movement now is by no means a surprise that we're falling below here. So it is more that we do have to talk a lot more about this in a minute. With that being said, though, today's video is sponsored by Crypto Unity. For those that don't know, start simple. Created, let me just read it real quick just so you guys can catch on here. Where is it? It was created with beginners for beginners and is an all-in-one crypto exchange designed to be the new users, or designed to be new users' first choice in regards to exchanges. And it's a really cool platform here. They have a lot going on, as you guys can see. KYC protected, CertiK protected. They have been audited. You can stay secure, keep users' funds safeguarded, and offers a cold wallet to store your funds so they don't actually have access to it, which is really cool. As you guys know, or maybe you don't, but as you guys will know very soon, that their pre-sale is currently open, and they are raising prices in another day. So definitely make sure to check them out if you are interested in investing in this exchange here, this up-and-coming exchange. More information about Crypto Unity will be later on in today's video and can also be found in the description of today's video. With that all being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, very peculiar what we've been talking about over the past couple of days here. As you can see, we've been drawing a lot of this consolidation, waiting patiently for some sort of breakout to come. We've referenced the fact that we are seeing some sort of bull flag here, filling in the gap clear as day, and that we need at some point to be breaking, bullish. If I look up bull flag right here, bull flag crypto, you can see exactly what is happening within XRP is exactly what is textbook right now. You can see clear as day here that we do have pole consolidation and then continuation. Here's the flag, and there are times that we do, retest lower and move to the downside here. So the fact that we're seeing this again is by no means shocking or surprising to me, and we should continue this pattern to the upside. Now, this was a flash wick to the downside here. Not many people were expecting this. I wasn't expecting a correction like this, but regardless, how we've been trading this cryptocurrency, we've known for quite some time now not to be buying in long until we can confirm breaking above this major resistance here. Until this is broken above, I don't plan on buying in short term. We have the beautiful price, the pole itself here. We have the price consolidation right inside here. We are waiting for a breakout. And the fact that we've now reversed all the way back here means it wasn't really that meaningful in regards to the breakdown. You can see we're still inside of here. We are still above a major price floor. This is a major support, which probably won't be broken here. And there's a good chance, very much so later on, we could be breaking to the upside. very much so could be breaking to the upside later on. So I'm not really too worried about the way XRP is trading, has been trading, or will be trading, and I am very much so bullish long-term on XRP. But with that being said and that out of the way, I do want to talk a little bit more about Crypto Unity with you. I want to give a huge shout out to Crypto Unity for sponsoring today's episode. As with all cryptocurrency projects, please do your own research and never invest anything you can't afford to lose. So guys, the cryptocurrency market is developing and it will only grow in the coming years. Because of this, more and more beginners are coming into the world of cryptocurrencies. For those who are just starting to learn about, cryptocurrencies, the beginning can be a bit difficult. It was for me. Now, existing exchanges for most may seem simple enough to those who know, but those who don't may be left with more questions than answers. But that's why Crypto Unity was born. They want to build a bridge for newbies who don't know where to start and put them on the right path. Crypto Unity is a cryptocurrency exchange focused on beginners and designed to provide an easy introduction to cryptocurrency trading, backed by training and support. By introducing a cold wallet, Crypto Unity will provide its users with a secure way to store funds. With this method, they are one of the first CEXs that don't actually hold onto user funds. In recent months, Crypto Unity has successfully sold 3 phases of presale on domestic soil, partnered with the global company Lenovo, attended 3 crypto conferences where they presented Crypto Unity to the public. They became CertiK KYC verified and was #1 on the top 5 crypto projects with the highest audit trust score in 2023. And they were also published on Binance. Not only that, Crypto Unity will also run on their own token called CUT. This is a utility token that will give owners many benefits when using the Crypto Unity platform. In addition to lower fees, it will also give its owners access to further education and the ability to gain a spot in other ICO presales. And these are just a few examples of the benefits that the CUT token has. Now, in time, CUT will have new ones as well, but in recent news though, Crypto Unity is actually conducting a presale of their token CUT on their website. This is a great opportunity to invest in a project at an early stage and get the maximum return on investment. The Phase 3 global presale opened on February 18th, 2023 and is taking place on their website and will only have 38% of the tokens for sale and only a total supply of 1 billion tokens. Now, with the upcoming active growth of the cryptocurrency market, there will be many beginners who will need a clear and understandable product for trading. Crypto Unity is an excellent solution for such an audience, which may indicate the demand for the popularity of the platform. Consequently, investing in the early stage of this project could open up excellent opportunities to increase the capital for investors. So guys, the biggest presale of CUT is happening right now. So go follow the link in the description of today's video and make sure to register on the platform to get your own tokens. It's literally that simple. With that being said, shout out to Crypto Unity for sponsoring today's episode, and let's get back into the technical analysis. So guys, moving forward from Crypto Unity, we do have to talk about Ethereum, Bitcoin, and the S&P. Now, this is what's shocking to me, and it seems like that's only affected cryptocurrency and not necessarily the stock market, and it's quite peculiar. We've fallen 3.47. You can see for the most part, all the cryptos have fallen about 3 to 4% across the board here, but you can see the second we fell, we immediately found a bottom and are actually starting to come back to the upside here, which is quite peculiar in the way we dropped. So I think we fell a little too quickly and abruptly, and we're probably reversing off this. Now, what's odd is the S&P 500 didn't get affected. It actually reversed to the upside here, which is confirming that we do have a third point of confirmation here. This is what we were looking for. As you guys know, I've said with certainty, we've only had 2 confirmations. We're looking for a third to confirm where exactly we are. So with 1 retest, 2 retests, we don't have enough for a third retest to confirm that this is an uptrend that's reliable for us to base our movements and our momentum off of. And that's important when it comes to the other cryptocurrencies that we need to talk about. Now, regardless, the fact that we've closed here is a very good sign that we are going to start to head back to the upside here. It's very exciting if you ask me. Now, with Ethereum and Bitcoin here, that's where things get a little wonky. As I said, we need 3 confirmations to be complete. As you can see with Bitcoin, there's only 2. There's literally only 2 confirmations. We have yet to make a third. So with that being said, it doesn't show signs that this is a reliable uptrend here. And with that being said, it is time to remove this, and it is time to remove this because we have not confirmed the third. This was not a reliable source of information, as I've said in my previous videos. Yes, there is possibilities now that we could, mark this like here. Sorry, that's what I wanted to draw. Something like this. It is very possible we could leave this like this. And same thing goes with Bitcoin here. The only reason why we haven't done this is because we don't know yet where the support is. We haven't had 3 confirmations. So until we get that, but we're kind of in the woods playing a guessing game right now. Same thing with Ethereum. We don't know where support is. We do know that, there is some sort of price floor here that's definitely holding on in some sense. And there is the same thing with Bitcoin here, that maybe this is a price floor, but we know with certainty not necessarily to be buying in and investing off these supports, because there only is 2 confirmations. Not even. There's only 1 confirmation at this point here. Same thing with Ethereum, but there is a good chance that this is the lowest point, with XRP immediately reversing up and Ethereum and Bitcoin pretty much doing the same thing. I don't think this is going to stick. Now, we have talked and spoke that we do need to come back down. We have suggested the fact that retesting the moving average is a huge possibility. And honestly, since the original break to the upside here, you can see we floated up from 18K all the way to 21K here. And there's a good chance this is going to continue to happen, that this is going to slowly move itself higher up here. And by then, we could easily see prices be retesting moving average, which is exactly what we're looking for. And then, and maybe only then, we can start to see higher prices. But right now, consolidation is necessary, and that's what's taking over a lot of these cryptos. I'm not worried in any sense. We don't have necessarily any bullish trades, or any trades for that matter, going on that are that important here. But I do think long-term, we are still bullish on a lot of these cryptos, which is exciting if you ask me. So just sit this one out here. I do expect to see prices move up as we veer on into the weekend. But with that being said, smash the like button. Huge shout out to Crypto Unity for sponsoring today's episode. Turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.